Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and backing up everything now. This process wipes your system. Once done, prepare a 16 GB or larger USB and download 2 files, a full ChromeOS recovery image and the Brunch framework. Make sure you have a separate working computer to create the bootable USB. Follow the image tool instructions to write the recovery image to the USB. This is the critical first step before booting your target machine into the new installer. Once the USB is ready, you'll change the target device firmware if necessary, enable UEFI or legacy boot so the machine accepts external media. Plug in the USB and boot from it. You may need a boot menu key. When the installer menu appears, choose the full install option. This will replace ChromeOS Flex with a ChromeOS build that supports Google Play. You'll follow on-screen prompts to partition and flash. Be patient, as this can take 15–30 minutes, depending on hardware. After installation, complete the initial setup and sign into your Google account. Then open Settings and look for the Google Play Store option. Enable it and accept permissions so Play services can update. Once updates finish, install apps normally. If you don't see the Play Store, reboot and recheck that you use the Brunch-based recovery and correct firmware options. Make sure the vendor image applied properly. As a key troubleshooting tip, reflash the USB and reinstall if Play service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.